Hi everyone, it's me, Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and today is day 11, the 11th double page layout using Simply Paisley Scrapbook Kit from Anna Griffin. There is ideas on here and I never even looked at them, so I'm giving you ideas too. Ideas of what to do or what not to do, whichever way you take it. So here is the one page and here is the second page. That's what a double page layout means. I don't know if you can see all that. So let's put this off to the side for a second. This is the album. It has, oh, I don't know, 400 and some pieces. It comes with the album. The plastic page protector covers, you know, this stuff. But I did add two plastic page protectors and added extra pages. And you can even add more than that. There's still space for it. So we are going to put that right there so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to tell you exactly what you need. And I'm going to put the paper going this direction. So we're only using one title, and it says Sparkle. And we're using two of these, one for each page. We're using four of these, two for each page. We are using one for these for each page, so two, and it is 1.5 inches. And two of these for each page, and it is 1 inch. So 1 inch and 1 inch times 2. We are using one for each page, and let's see if it's going the different direction. Let's see. It is. So on the left is this one, on the right is this one. Let's see. We have one of these, and they are going the opposite direction, left side, right side of your page. We are doing the left, and then we need these two, and they're opposites. And then this one, and let's see, and it is the same. Okay, so let's get started. So what is that, 1/2 inch? We taking, and I'm having the paper this direction. So I'm going to rotate it so I can see better and line this up better. But I'm going 1/2 inch down. I'm just eyeballing it. And when you put the other, that didn't get straight. When you do the second page, to make sure that it is straight, all you do is do that and then put it there so that it lines up. Okay, so I turned it to the side so I can see better. And then I also see that we needed to pop dot this, and I didn't. And since I forgot to, I'll talk to you for 2 seconds while I'm doing this. It just gives it more dimension and flow. Do you know I'm giving a giveaway, a die set from Anna Griffin once a month. If you follow and share my video, I will make a note of it, and you will have a chance to win one of the dies. And the dies are about, I don't know, $45 to $65 each. They're nice. They're nice dies. They're extra ones, so instead of just holding on to them, I can do a giveaway. And so sharing is caring, so that's why I'm doing it. So just make sure that you follow me and I know about it so I can write your name down and all. So I use hot glue because of temperature and weather. And let's see, what direction is this going to go? It's going to go that direction with like the leaves going down. And I still have it off to the side. We're just going to line that up. This is a good way if you had your paper crooked, you can hide mistakes underneath this pop dotted one. One more on the top, and we're going to act like it's all the way under, but we saved paper and cut it. Let's get this to stick under just a little, but it looks like it went totally under. Since we have it on the side, let's go ahead and use this one and put it at the bottom. It's a lot of beautiful colors in this. So what did we do? We went a 1/2 inch from the bottom. I love the grid that I'm using of Anna's. Okay, so guys, that was quick and easy, wasn't it? So now we're going to put the word sparkle, and since this is 12 inches and 1/2 is 6, we're going to take the word and get it peeled off of here because it is a sticker that comes with it. Everything you see is in Anna's kit. I'm not using any dies or anything because not everyone has it. So this is like for beginners. But if you have all her dies and everything, boy, you can really amp this up by using dies as photo frames. So we are going to put sparkle, and let's see. Oh, there's another letter. It has a piece of thing in it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to do the R. It makes it the middle, and we're going to put it right there on the, it's actually on the pinkish orange, and it goes right there, and it sticks really well. So there you go. So now we have this one, and since it's it is a sticker, but I'm only gonna glue some of it, and I'm gonna put it right here since it's gonna stick off some, and it goes up a little higher, and we're gonna put it right there. And because it wants to fall a little, I'm gonna get one pop dot, and I'm gonna stick underneath it to hold. Now it holds good. Okay, so then what flower went there? This flower right here, and we had it like that. I'm going to only glue right down the center because it goes off of the paper, and we're going to put it about there. So that side's done, and when we do the other side, we do it the same way, but on the right hand side. All this is on the left, so that is what we did different. Okay, so now let's put these two on the photo mats. It comes with photo mats. If you've never bought one of her kits, I'll have a link down below, and it will take you to her site. So we are 1 inch in, and I'm using the grid, and we are right there, and we are 1 inch over, so we're going to come over on this side 1 inch as well. There we go. This is twisted this way with the rose going that way and the bluish purple going that way. And we're just going to add a little glue, and it is going centered right about there. And then this one, let's see, this one goes there, and this one goes here. Let me see. This one goes there, and this one goes here. I guess it really doesn't matter. So there we go. So I'm just going to, sake of time, I'm going to just glue it here, and it's not in the way of a photo. And then this one I'm going to switch, and I'm going to have it where the roses both go in. And it's going to go up higher a little bit to not be in the way. So there is your double page layout. Now let me walk you through this one. The only thing different is this is the two corners, and then the two corners. We did two different corners because these flowers are meeting, and that's why that rose was going the other way, so that the roses were matching. So yeah, and then the only other thing is I did cut this in half. Let me find it. When I did this, just like I did on others, which I cannot find it, but I know we'll have it. So the journaling card only goes, and it goes right in the middle of this one, and I cut this in half and glued it. So let me see if I can get that off. See how I cut that in half and I glued it, and that's what that looks like. So that's the only few things different on the second page layout is, and we're going to center that, and so don't forget that. So I did opposites, but you can do exactly the same. But if you see, these flowers are here, and then the other flowers are there on the second page. So hopefully this helps you. If you need any help or anything, just let me know. And this is opposite, and you can see the blue flowers are opposite. So yeah, that is our double page layout. It's pretty easy, and I hope you like it. Make sure you share and tag me and let me know. Have a blessed day. Links will be in the comments to get this or anything from Anna Griffin.